Hey everyone, Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix video is a Copilot video. And more importantly, how you can create one prompt and schedule it like a workflow. If you keep rewriting prompts to get the same output, I'm going to show you how you can turn one great prompt into a scheduled prompt. Let me show you how. I'm gonna go ahead and put in this prompt, summarize today's meetings, emails, and tasks, list key decisions, action items, and what I should follow up on tomorrow. And as this is thinking, I will now be able to save this as a scheduled prompt. So it spit out a summary talking about meetings, emails, tasks, chat, all of that. But at the very bottom, there are the options to copy it, to like it or dislike it, to share it, edit it. But on the ellipsis, I'm going to click that and I'm going to choose to schedule this prompt. So I want this prompt to run starting today, and it can run every day, or it could run, every week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then it's running until 6/4, or I could change it to run until, and I could run it earlier in the day, and then receive an email when responses are ready. Click save. And so that will now be a scheduled prompt that will pop up every day in my chat over here on the left with the little blue dot. And I'll be able to find it when I go to my ellipsis and go to scheduled prompts, and it will appear here that it's active, and I could run it, edit it, or turn it off. Now you can reuse what works instead of starting from zero every time. Save your best prompts like templates and you will move faster all week. Remember, small changes, quick fixes, big wins.